Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos in my Azmax YouTube channel and thank you for subscribing my channel. Please like and share my videos. Today we are going to see quick information about world's top 15 tallest buildings. Number 15, Changsha IFS Tower T1 in China with 1483 feet. Number 14, Landmark 81 in Vietnam with 1513 feet. Number 13, Lakta Tower in Russia with 1516 feet. Number 12, International Commerce Center in China with 1588 feet. Number 11, Shanghai World Financial Center in China with 1614 feet. Number 10, Taipei 101 in Taiwan with 1667 feet. Number 9, Chinazan in China with 1732 feet. Number 8, Tianjin CTF Finance Center in China with 1739 feet. Number 7, Guangzhou CTF Finance Center in China with 1739 feet. Number 6, One World Trade Center in USA with 1776 feet. Number 5, Lotte World Tower in South Korea with 1819 feet. Number 4, Ping An Financial Center in China with 1966 feet. Number 3, Abraj Al Bait Clock Tower in Saudi Arabia with 1971 feet. Number 2, Shanghai Tower in China with 2073 feet. Number 1, Burj Khalifa in UAE with 2717 feet. Number 15, Changsha IFS Tower T1. It is a skyscraper in Changsha in China. It is 452 meters, that is 1482.9 feet tall. Construction started in 2013, ended in 2017. Number 14, Landmark 81. It is a super tall skyscraper in Vietnam. It is 461.15 meters, that is 1513 feet tall. Construction started in 2014, ended in 2017. Number 13, Lakta Tower. It is an 87-story skyscraper in Lakta in Russia. It is also the largest building in Europe. It is 462 meters, that is 1516.7 feet tall. Construction started in 2012, ended in 2019. Number 12, International Commerce Center. It is 108-story skyscraper in Hong Kong in China. It is 484 meters, that is 1588 feet tall. Construction started in 2002, ended in 2010. Number 11, Shanghai World Financial Center. It is a super tall skyscraper in Shanghai in China. It is 492 meters, that is 1614.2 feet tall. Construction started in 1997, ended in 2008. Number 10, Taipei 101. It is a super tall skyscraper located in Taiwan. It is 508 meters, that is 1671 feet tall. Construction started in 1999, ended in 2004. Number 9, Chinazan. It is a super tall skyscraper in Beijing in China. It is 528 meters, that is 1732 feet tall. Construction started in 2011, ended in 2018. Number 8. Tianjin CTF Finance Center. It is a super tall skyscraper in Tianjin in China. It is 530 meters, that is 1739 feet tall. Construction started in 2013, ended in 2019. Number 7. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center. It is also called East Tower. It is the same as the height as Tianjin CTF Finance Center. No change. Construction started in 2009, ended in 2016. Number 6. One World Trade Center. It is the tallest building in United States, tallest building of the Western Hemisphere, and the 6th tallest building in the world. It is 546 meters, that is 1780 feet tall. Construction started in 2006, ended in 2014. Number 5. Lotte World Tower. It is 123-story skyscraper located in South Korea. It came to the list of top 5 buildings and Lotte World Tower is one of them. It is 556 meters tall. Construction started in 2016, ended in 2017. Number 4. Ping An Financial Center. It is 115-story super tall skyscraper in Guangdong in China. It is 599 meters, that is 1965 feet tall. Construction started in 2010, ended in 2015. Number 3. Abraj Al Bait. It is also a clock tower located in Saudi Arabia near Great Mosque of Makkah. It is 601 meters, that is 1972 feet tall. Construction started in 2004, ended in 2012. Number 2. Shanghai Tower. It is 128-story mega-tall skyscraper in Shanghai, in China. It is the world's second largest building till now. It is 632 meters, that is 2073 feet tall. Construction started in 2008, ended in 2015. Now, it is time for number 1. Can you guess it? Yes, you are correct. It's Burj Khalifa. It is a mega-tall skyscraper in Dubai and the world's tallest building with a height of 829 meters, that is 2,722 feet tall. That is half a mile. Construction started in 2004, ended in 2009. Okay guys, I hope you all like my informations. Thank you for all your support and subscriptions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if not yet. If you already subscribed,